Cut the potatoes into strips. Chop the onion and garlic. Pour a little olive oil into the pan, add the minced meat and start frying. Then add the blended tomatoes and carrots. Put the tomatoes and carrots in a blender. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Okay, the tomatoes and carrots are blended. Now we continue to fry. Stir occasionally until the potatoes and meat are brown. This is an easy and quick recipe. Everything will gradually start to fry. Soon we will add the blended tomatoes and carrots. This time I used a wok pan, but you can use a regular pan and pour everything into the pot. Cut and add the pickled cucumber. It is practically ready. We will immediately add the tomatoes with carrots. Add the sliced cucumber. Add about 250 grams of rice. Now mix well and put the lid on. Cook until the soup starts to thicken and the rice starts to soften. Add the basil. You can add more. The soup is practically ready. Turn off the stove, put the lid on, and let it stand. Let's make toast for the feast. Well, the soup is ready. Bon appetit.